Good morning, I am melting here. And so today we're going to make some lacto fermented apple slices. Pickle weight and pickling pipe are optional, but really handy. Also, this is my favorite salt. It's a Celtic sea salt. It has great flavor and a lot more minerals. The general rule of thumb is 1 to 3 tablespoons per quart of liquid. And so I'm doing 2 today because it is pretty hot here. And even though this is a sweeter snack, I'm still going to do 2 tablespoons. Slice up all our apples. We're going to save our cores. I keep a zip bag in the freezer, and when I have enough, I make apple cider vinegar, which is another post. We're going to take a clean jar and pack it absolutely full of apple slices. Then we're going to pour our salt brine all the way up to cover the apples, but we're still going to try to leave about an inch of head space, so just to about the bottom of where the screw line starts for the lid. Today I'm adding some cardamom pods. You can add any whole spices that you want to jazz these apple slices up. I tend towards warmer, pumpkin pie type spices, cinnamon, cloves, but also rosemary and thyme are great options as well. We're just gonna cap that off and set it aside for 3 days to 2 weeks, depending on the flavor and texture you want. Here's some finished. I did some star anise, and these are just delicious. Enjoy!